I've had the 360 Jeezy Trimmer for over like 3 months. And there's something about this trimmer that I really did not expect. And it's not the power. Of course, this thing's got crazy power. I've used this under the neck. I've deliberately driven this thing directly against the grain. I've put this thing in every foreseeable possible scenario where it should snag, but after 3 months, I've not got a single snag. This might be the fastest trimmer I have ever used. And with all that power, with all the hype around this trimmer, is it actually that good? Well, let's go ahead and find out. Before we even talk about the trimmer, we need to talk about the clipper. Did they actually build a great tool, or did they just build a trimmer that matches? And that's kind of important because it's very easy to make products look alike and look like they belong, but you will see barbers all the time using different brands, maybe another brand's trimmer, or a different trimmer within that set because they like it more. My question is this trimmer good enough to fit with this clipper? Because a lot of you guys absolutely love this clipper. I have the Instincts. We have a X Pro blade on here, and it also has the one cutter. And I would never recommend doing this, but since we're gonna get rid of all this hair anyways, let's just see if it can even do it. I mean, I would be surprised. You have got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me.
Oh my God, it did.
Dude, like nothing. Okay, if it can do that, you have no idea how thick this hair is, yo. If it can do that. StyleCraft was the first company to ever bring a vector motor into the professional clipper line. At that time, this was actually a pretty radical idea. But now you see vector motors everywhere. And when all the other companies start following suit, you know you did something right. But the question is, what do we do next? You redesign it. And that's exactly what they did. Well, this is the ugliest dog I've ever seen. But this is a barber who has nothing to do with StyleCraft and wants to just render an honest opinion. What do you think of the 360 Jeezy Trimmer?
She's attached to me. I've been using the 360 Jeezy trimmers for about a week now, and a couple things I like about them are the size of them, the housing. Feels really good in my hands, similar to the Exceed as far as the size and weight. I can charge the trimmers or the clippers on the same charging stand. They've been great. I've balded out, some skin fades, people with fine hair. I've shaved a full beard with them, and yeah, they've had no problem getting through hair. They haven't snagged.
Is this something that you would put on your list to purchase?
Yeah, definitely. And especially if you already have the Jeezy clippers, you got to get the trimmers. They look cool together.
So what we actually have here is we have 3.5 hours of runtime. We have an all-new IN3 Vector Motor, which actually has 6 springs that help evenly distribute the work the motor has to do and reduces sound and vibration. This is an all-metal body paired with our Gold X Pro with the one-blade cutter. It does still go up to 11,500 RPMs, however it starts at a lower base rate. RPMs alone, or strokes per minute alone, does not dictate how much power a unit actually has. The number we're looking for is torque. But how the hell does any of this actually help a real barber in the field? So if you notice, you actually have 4 little battery indicators. That's 25% each. This is very easy to customize. You just take out these 2 here, and then you're gonna have a couple of screws on the top here. Then you're gonna be able to release this top plate, and you can switch out all of these different plates to your liking. One thing that's a bit underrated, which actually feels great, are these rubber grippers on the side. And as you see, they can be black or they can be red. And if you wanted to do one black, one red, you totally could. This machine is very easy to zero gap, especially if you get our zero gap setter. And overall, everything is pretty intuitive. USB-C charging, 3.5 hours of runtime, crazy amounts of torque, and just overall a great, complete looking machine. But one little note about this X Pro blade, I actually think after a lot of testing, this is the best blade that StyleCraft has to offer and the best finish. And this stops it from getting too hot. And it also just allows it to perform extremely sharp lines, really good bulk removal, and works really well on every hair type, from gray to Vella's kids hair to extremely thick or curly. It seems to cut through everything. I don't want to tell you it seems light, it seems quiet, I want to give you guys some actual factual data here. So let's measure it. We'll call that 68 decibels compared to the Babeless. 253 for the Jeezy, 243 for the Babeless, 213 for the Exceed, 207 for the Wall High Vis, 205 for the Saber, 206 for the Andis. So here's a little size comparison. Right here, we see that the Jeezy is just under 6 inches, where the Andis is just a little over 5.5, and the Babeless is also just over 6 inches. And then the longest or biggest, this is about 6.25 for the High Vis, just to give you guys an idea of how big this machine actually is. So I'm letting these two kind of heat up, and we're gonna see where, what temperature they reach. But watch what happens when I try to stop the Jeezy. Speeds up instantly, but when I try to stop the Babeless, they've both been running for probably about 3 minutes straight under no load. Let's get a quick idea of how hot they're getting. StyleCraft blade is hanging out, I'd say right about 77, and the Babeless 83. Now, granted, when you use a trimmer, they're not running for this long, so honestly, it is noticeably cooler than the Babeless, but I think both of these are going to perform fine for most use cases. One thing about these Babeless trimmers is they actually perform pretty good, but over the course of some time, and not much time, they all tend to kind of sound like this. They get pretty loud. Did you guys know that the trimmer blade that we use on the X Pro is about 1.56 inches wide? And that's one of the reasons why when we're trying to detail with this, when it comes to fading, is we're using the corners rather than using the entire blade. You don't want to make a 1.5 inch mistake when you're trying to complete your blend. If you notice, there's a lot of different ways you guys can customize this, and I'm definitely a tool guy, and I kind of like to geek out with this stuff, but you have the drop top lid, which makes it easy to clean, but also these come with a couple of different kinds. So you can have it all black, or you can have it see-through. You can make the window, and then you can customize the bottom to your liking, whether you want it red, black, one with the other. And yeah, so there's a lot of ways that you can make this unique and you can make it yours. But when it comes to customization, you already know StyleCraft is the king, and this is no different.
Do you have any drugs or weapons on you?
Yeah, I actually got this 360 Jeezy Trimmer. It's pretty much a weapon of mass destruction upon the world of hair. It will eliminate bulk quicker than anything in the industry. It will make the sharpest lines, and honestly, I got 3 of them.
I'm gonna need you to step out the car.
All right. Now I know what some of you guys are gonna be saying. Ed, this is just another StyleCraft trimmer. Ed, this really ain't no difference. Ed, we've already seen the Instinct. All right, so when we had the Instinct shaver, this little shaver right here is extremely powerful. It is not an incremental upgrade. When you put this in your arsenal, you get stuff done so much faster than you did before. And I feel the exact same way about this trimmer. With that IN3 Vector Motor, this being the 3rd generation of our motors, we're really starting to get it down, and we have a recipe between the torque and this blade that just absolutely works. So I would really encourage you guys to give this thing a try. If you have the clipper, you're gonna love to match this set, and you're gonna have 2 really high performing machines. But overall, they're giving you a lot of value in here, and I understand this is gonna be a little expensive. It might not be for everybody, but those of you who do get to experience this, I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this.
Hi, this is Austin with Gamma Plus StyleCraft here at Las Vegas Cosmoprof 2026 with our biggest drop of the year, maybe the biggest drop ever, the Jeezy 360 Jeezy Trimmer. What makes this thing a game changer is a lot of things, but especially our first IN3 Vector Motor. So already our IN2 Vector Motor was the industry leader, and while everyone else is trying to catch up to that, we're already on the next gen, Gen 3. What makes it so special?
Now, Austin had a whole lot more to say about that, and I'll let him say that in another video. But I just want to give somebody their flowers, somebody who's contributed a lot to the game, and let's talk about it. Well, I gotta say, guys, it might sound fun to make YouTube videos, and it definitely is. Posting for a month, posting for a year, but I'll tell you guys what, it takes a lot of dedication to drag yourself to the computer and edit again for over a decade. And in the very beginning, if I go back to 2012, my mind would have been blown if I would have seen these cordless clippers, these cordless trimmers, like the technology that we have gotten now, it's like surreal. And it really is because of you guys and the support you guys have given us. But one outside factor that I don't think anybody should ignore is how difficult it is to do this and the size of the contribution that a guy like 360 Jeezy has made. He has helped a whole generation of barbers, actually more than one generation of barbers. He's shown so many things. He's done so much for the industry. And at the heart of this, I'm sitting back and I'm feeling like this industry is coming full circle, because now I'm holding a 360 Jeezy trimmer and a 360 Jeezy clipper. And it's really all because of the hard work and the dedication that he has put into this game. So outside of the fact that, yes, these are great machines, yes, they're going to perform well, he wouldn't have put his name on something that wouldn't. You're actually supporting the human element. You're supporting a good man who has drug himself to that camera and that computer and has contributed a whole lot to this industry. So for that reason alone, these might be worth picking up. You've got the clipper, we've got the trimmer, and I can't be the only one looking at this wondering, there seems to be something missing. Where's the shaver? I genuinely don't know. But after seeing what they did with this trimmer, I'd really like to find out.
So this StyleCraft collab with 360 Jeezy Trimmer that just got announced August 15th. We've had it at the shop for probably 2 to 3 months, and the thing's been killing it. Performance-wise, there's nothing this thing really can't do, to be honest with you. It can debulk, it can do lineups on any type of hair, on any texture. It doesn't matter. As far as how it feels in the hand, it's nice because it's an all metal casing, all metal housing, and I like the feel of a heavier trimmer. Sometimes you get these trimmers that have that plastic housing, and it almost feels like toyish. You know, it's too light. It just, I don't know. I'm not a fan of that. I like all metal housing. The other thing that's really dope with this trimmer is the 3.5 hour runtime. You don't find yourself charging it at nearly as much as other trimmers. The other thing that's dope about this trimmer too is that that gold titanium X Pro blade. You know, there's not another need for another blade. Like that thing right now is sick. Like, you're putting that on this 360 Jeezy trimmer, there's no need to get any other blade, any other trimmer combo. Like, that's straight up killing the game. If y'all aren't copping this trimmer when it comes out, yo, you're getting left behind. Peace.